What's going on, fam? I'm Zachek here, and today we have a special video. We are unboxing the OnePlus 5T in their new lava red colorway. Now, OnePlus are known for their high-end specs with their low prices. And this phone indeed packs a lot of beef for its price. Now, the 5T features 8 GB of RAM, a dual lens camera, a very fast fingerprint scanner, and the Snapdragon 835 processor. Now keep in mind that this is their third colorway. They had the original black model, sandstone white, now the lava red. They also had a Star Wars edition, but it was extremely rare to get. Now like I said, that this is the lava red edition, and it was actually released for Valentine's Day. And I heard that quantities are pretty limited, so if you want one, you better get your hands on it right now. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so let's get to this unboxing. We just flip this box open, and there you go. We have the OnePlus One box and like those little plastic little things. Alright, so let's take those out. It's a nice looking box so far. It's just very simple, red and white. As you can see, the OnePlus sign is on the side. Might be a little hard to see on the camera. Inside you have a little paper with additional information about the product and the shipment information. That's not too important. Let's get to the most important part right now. The box itself, well, the phone. Alright, the front of the box has the number 5 on it. It actually looks very nice. It's a big 5, you know, saying that this is the OnePlus 5T. Back is your traditional red. Alright, now let's cut this box open. And there is the phone. So far, you know, it looks like your basic OnePlus 5. Looks nice. And there's the beauty. That's the nice finished red over there. So far, you know, in the flesh, it's a nice shiny red. Might have a little orange hue to it, and that's my reflection over there. Now let's put that phone to the side. Let's see what else is inside. Well, you know, that's the basic paperwork's inside. We don't care about that. We have your USB Type-C wire, you know, nice and bundled up, and it has a large power brick over here. It's like the biggest power brick I've ever seen packaged on the phone. Power brick has a nice little red accent finish to it. I think that was a nice touch with OnePlus. Alright, now let's put this to the side. Let's bring back the phone. So back to the red. Well, the red matches with the wire now, finally. Let's peel that off. It's such a satisfying feeling when you peel the steel off in the back. And that is my reflection. And so, like I said, the phone is very nice. The phone is extremely nice. It has a nice feeling to it. It's just that orange hue that you can slightly get at certain angles. But, you know, it feels good in the hands. It has a nice build quality. So let's turn this phone on. Let's see what we can do with it. That's the OnePlus logo. I was just playing around with the settings earlier to test the fingerprint scanner. And I have to say, fingerprint scanner is extremely fast. The fastest I've ever seen on any phone. I just simply touch it and boom, it's like the phone is basically on. One touch, boom, it's on. That's just insane. I've never seen anything fast like this phone. Well, when it comes to the fingerprint scanner. Like, seriously, you just touch it and it just turns on. I think it's faster than Face ID, faster than the Pixel 2, your Galaxy S8, S8 Plus. I think it'll still be faster than the future phones that are coming out, like the Galaxy S9 and all that stuff. But well done. This is great. Alright, now let's compare this to the Galaxy S8 Plus. They're pretty much similar in many ways. The Galaxy S8 Plus is a little taller, but the OnePlus 5T is just a little bit wider on the screen. They're about the same width, but you know, they're two different build qualities though. One is glass, one is metal. But I think the 5T just feels much better in the hands because of the aluminum body. It just feels much better. And as you can see in the back, the OnePlus 5T has a dual lens camera, One is not a telephoto lens like the original 5. They took that away from this phone. Basically, one is just one of the lenses is actually much better for low light pictures. That's all. On the bottom, you see your USB Type-C, a speaker, and a headphone jack. Thank God. Well, that's the OnePlus 5T in the new colorway. This is probably one of the best looking phones I've ever seen. Build quality is great. Feels great in the hands as well. Fingerprint sensor is super fast. Great battery. USB Type-C. And oh, a headphone jack. And like I said before, I had to say that in 2018. If you dislike this video, please comment below and let me know what I can improve on my future videos. If you like this video, please like, comment, and finesse on the subscribe button. Alright, fun fact number 3. It took me many hours just to do this little small video. Thank you for watching. I'm Zachak. Deuces.